Daddy, can we go buy Pokemon cards? Daddy.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy J-Mo, man. We're gonna go to Kroger today. We're gonna check out the Pokemon Vending Machine. I'm gonna bring my daughter along with me, so come hang out with us. Alright, so here we are at our first stop, first watch, but the wait was 20 minutes, so we went next door to Kohl's so we could check out the toy section. A lot of times what I like to do is try to envision, if I was a kid these days, would I be into these toys? And I would say, it's different nowadays. Kids are all about Roblox, Minecraft. We didn't have those back then. I mean, we had our Game Boys, but we couldn't play with our friends online or anything, so toys were a big deal to us. Got some monster trucks here. My favorite monster trucks of all time are Bigfoot, of course, Snakebite. Oh, what up, Mr. Beast? And then they had this arcade 1-up, which was pretty cool. I have a Miss Pac-Man one myself, but this one has Miss Pac-Man, Galaga, and Dig Dug. I was trying to find the price here, but no price listed. And then I didn't notice when I was there, but to the left is a Tetris Stacks. Not sure what that is, but I want to check that out, see what that's about. My wife's favorite games of all time, Tetris. Polly Pocket is still around. What about Mighty Max? I wish Mighty Max would make a return. Nerf is still popular apparently. When I was a kid I had an Eagle Eye, I think that's what it's called, with that laser. Man, I missed that gun. My daughter is browsing, didn't find anything. She just wants some Robux. So now it's time to go back to the restaurant and get us some grub. After you, my dear. Got some intense waffle tic-tac-toe gameplay action here. Gotta fill in the story. That reminds me of Mad Libs. Mad Libs was a lot of fun. I think they still sell those. Our food should be coming up now. Here it is right here. The Breakfast of Champions. The Lions should have had this. Maybe they would have won. What kind of Pokemon cards are you hoping to get?
I'm hoping to get Leatherby, Charizard, maybe Umbreon.
Okay. Cluttermane, Charizard, Gardevoir, Umbreon. I think hope we get a Charizard. And here we are, and here it is, the Pokemon Machine. My brother-in-law was the one that told me about this. He said there's a Pokemon Machine at Kroger, so I had to go check it out and see what it was. And I know a lot of people are going crazy over the prismatic Pokemon set, but I'm not into that. I'm just here to get 3 booster packs, take it home, have a little fun. Spent about 15 bucks. Very cool machine. They email you your receipt and everything. Then we grab our Pokemon packs. Stellar Crown, I believe, is the first one. Our second booster pack is from Paldea Evolved. And then the last booster pack is from Obsidian Flames. So 1 pack from Stellar Crown, 1 from Paldea Evolved, and 1 from Obsidian Flames. So let's take it home and open it up. Alright, first booster pack, Obsidian Flames. Alright, guess the energy.
Purple.
Purple. Alright, here we go. Red. What's that? Bon Sweet?
Yep.
Axolotl.
Yep. Clodsire.
Is that an orca?
Revenant.
Another whooper.
Howdy and Whooper. There's a lot of them. Dynamo. Oh, so cute. Skull.
Alright, let's open the Paldea Evolve. Is that how you say it? Paldea? Paldea Evolve. Alright, guess the energy.
Yellow. Maybe? Yellow? Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Red. Tommy. Larvitar. Do you know? I don't know who that is, but I like his hair. Sandy Gas.
Talonflame. That's a cool one. Murkrow. Come on. Any of these going in your collection so far? No?
Yeah.
Alright, you gotta open the last one because I'm not pulling anything.
Ooh, I like it.
EX. Okay, well, you got something. You did better than me.
That's gonna do it for today's video.